Sometimes our customers find it too inconvenient to bring their Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury vehicle into the dealership to have their airbag recall performed. Did you know that most of the Takata airbag recall repairs are so simple they can be done anywhere? This is possible because of the simplicity of the repair. This simple repair begins by removing the airbag module being serviced, replacing the airbag inflator or inflators, reinstalling the airbag module being serviced, and repackaging the replaced airbag parts in the box that the new parts came in for return shipping. The mobile repair option provides many benefits, including increased customer satisfaction and extending your service capabilities without tying up a service bay. You should start offering Takata airbag mobile service repairs today. For more information, refer to the Mobile Airbag Repair FAQ contained within the Field Service Action attachments.